Do your wiper blades shudder or squeak against the windscreen? Do they jump across the surface or streak the glass with every stroke? Don't let blacklisted blades darken the road ahead. Upgrade to a superior set this Black Friday. Because while some drivers settle for a subpar driving experience, you don't have to. Instead, you can level up to sleek, smooth, silent, and easy to install wipers. Premium wipers you deserve, and ones your family will love you for. But will make your mates insanely jealous. You never know when the next storm will hit, but one thing definitely is coming: our biggest sale of 2021. Don't miss your chance to level up your blades for less. Go to wipertech.com.au and use the code LEVELUP to wipe a whopping $15 off. Plus, receive free express shipping. This Black Friday, get your blades off the blacklist.